Sawadee welcome to World of Thai Food. I'm Amy and today I would like to show you how to make ขนมปังหน้าหมูกุ้ง or fried bread with pork and prawn spread. And it is a famous starter or it is a delicious breakfast. So just take a look at the ingredients. 200 grams of ground pork, 200 grams of ground prawn, pepper, sea salt, coriander with roots, egg, garlic, cooking oil, seasoning soy sauce, and 4 pieces of toast. And now I'm going to prepare the paste. Then we are going to need 3 coriander roots, garlic, black pepper, and sea salt. And for the coriander, I'm gonna put it aside because it's gonna be the garnish and can also be the side vegetable. I just chopped it roughly and then throw it in the mortar and pestle. And we need half a tablespoon of black pepper and a little bit of salt. And I also need 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic. Maybe 3 cloves. If you have option of the blender, use the blender. See, blender is maybe easier for your life. Okay, I think it's ready. But you know, you pounding like this is actually giving more taste. The oil and aroma of the herbs, you know, come out more when you pound it. And next, we're gonna mix this paste with the prawns and the pork. And then you just mix them together in this mortar. When the meat and the paste mix well together, then you can season it with 1 tablespoon of seasoning soy sauce. Something like this. And next step, I'm going to need 1 egg into this bread because it's gonna make the spread stick to the bread. Okay, so now the spread is ready, so we're gonna put it on the toast. And next, we're going to deep fry this toast and spread. We need quite a lot of oil. I think that's enough for now. We are running out of the daylight, so I'm gonna hurry up so you can see the beautiful piece when it's finished. We just need medium heat. It smells so good. This one is ready. To garnish it, I'm going to use coriander and this edible flower. So now you know how to make ขนมปังหน้าหมูกุ้ง or deep fried bread with pork and prawn spread. And we just make it in time before the sun go down. And for this flour, it tastes like ginger. If you like to follow the taste, you can use a thin slice of ginger in here. And to eat it, you can eat with the sweet chili sauce. And for the ingredients, you can find it below or visit our website worldofthaifood.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. For today, have a spicy day. Bye! So good.